Hey guys, and welcome to the BC Clan. So you guys are gonna become challengers, huh? So, yeah. If you've been on my other channel, Chloe Horan, don't ask me why it's that. I love now Horan. Don't tell anyone. Alright, so I'm on my bike. That's a guy. So I'm on my bike. If you want to know me, James, Jack, and Dylan, then comment down below. If you want. If you don't know what me, Jack, James, and Dylan video is, go onto my other channel, Chloe Horan, to find out if you don't know the video, just put in on the search bar, me, James, Jack, and Dylan, and it'll come up with me, James, Jack, and Dylan, and it says by Chloe Horan. Or if you want my old name, Dale8787. So let's see. So I'm just gonna show you a bike right now. Let's go on a bike ride. 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 Yeah, ha, ha, ha. Whoa, 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 whoa. Transform into the little screen. Transform into the little screen. Let's go to Jack's house. Do some work there. Bam, 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 bam. So down there, well, let's go and show you guys. There's a car coming. Hold on. So I haven't been down here for a while, but down there is Jack's house. And if you want me to show you my bike, it's basically that. So let's go. Actually, let me just show you one more little road, because this road is kind of my favorite road. I think there's 2 roads to show you actually, and there's a little shortcut to get to one. So, one sec. So it's just down here. So this is the poshest place ever. Oh, good. Down here is a Lamborghini. So here's houses and houses. Nice car, dude. Mini Cooper. Mini Cooper. Oh, down there. So this is, here you go guys, missing cat. 15th of Feb? Family missing him? Oh, I found that number. I'll look out for that cat. So now this side. Basically down there, the Lamborghini is not there, so I can't show you right now. Oh, fucking that cat, little twat parking there. So let me just go around. So there's so many Cooper up close and all these cars. Ow, my butt. So all these cars. Everything. Yeah. Boom. Oh, this is a plane. Hey, there's that cat. Mr. Kitty Cat. There's a car down. There's a... Thought there was a bike down here. Is the bike down here or what? My viewers, they want to see a bike. They want to see a fucking bike. Where the fuck is the bike? Where the hell is the bike? Where the... is the bike? It's quite raining now, so let me just quickly show you the next house. Hello and welcome. Hello and welcome back to... Oh shit, I almost dropped the phone. The Timber's way. Hold up, you red car. Bike! You guys did not see the bike! Sure. Right, we'll try and find another bike someday. I hate. So down this road, I'll show you the shortcut that way. So here. That's it. Oh shit. Oh shit. Now let me just go show you the shortcut. Because I love the shortcut. Helps me get home back faster. Now it's just down here. Please make it go in 10 minutes. Hey, I'm not gonna make it before 10 minutes, so I might. Come on. Yeah, I made it up here. Oh. and you're straight down to there. But I know you guys want me to go through this place. It takes quite a while, even though it's just down there. So, let's go. And by the way, I'm on my bike. See how long it's taking me to get through this jungle? It's taking forever. It's taking forever. And this is the jungle, basically. I've spent 10 minutes now. Well, over 11 minutes showing you how my road is. So, my wheel, one day. So, this is where it stops. If you want to know my road, where my house is, I'll go show you that. I'm just going to go back through here because it's the quickest way to go to my house. I might have to cut this. Alright, it took me 5 minutes to get out of that little hole, so watch out, there's some buggy holes around here. So it almost took 15 minutes showing you how my place is. So hopefully you like it. Yeah. What the hell does that sign say? Alright, let me show you. Alright, so that is such a weird sign. Holy shit, don't come down here. Good. Alright, that was a close one. Guys, I might think it's down here, so. I'm back down now. So let's just go back, and he's driving his big van. Let's go back. Ah, it's raining so hard now. I can't fucking leave it. The sex is a boy. No, let's go. Guys, see you later. Oh no, I can't see you later because I need to tell you what road I live on. Fucking sake. Oh, this is a better sign than the other. Missing cat. If you guys see this cat, report it to this number. If you find this cat, well, missing cat. If found, please call this number. Because it really needs help. It really needs to find its family. It really needs to find its family. It really needs to find his family. So I spent 15 minutes now. So this is what road. You want to look at that sign? Or the easiest sign? But guys, I spent 15 minutes showing you what it's like here. So hopefully you like it. So bye.